Let's think of something else.
Three, two, one. Doors are shut. Engines on. Lights are green. Switches flipped. Goals on. Lengthy trip. Crashes out.
Missing empathy, and folks are always dropping in unexpectedly.